This video is about Peregrino-Sinistine problem solving. The amount in pesos per hour. So before I discuss the solving problem, I discuss first the Peregrino-Sinistine. Okay. Peregrino-Sinistine, the future chronograph. So here's the clock illustration of the Peregrino-Sinistine. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Peregrino-Sinistine clock have only 10 o'clock. Then 1 is 10 periseconds or 10 periminutes. The 2 is 20 periseconds or 20 periminutes. The 3 is 30 periseconds or 30 periminutes. The 4 is 40 periseconds or 40 periminutes. And the 5 is 50 periseconds or 50 periminutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino-Sinistine. Or 6 hours, 44 minutes, and 17 seconds. And the Peregrino-Sinistine, you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. Because Peregrino-Sinistine is decimalized time and metric time. Okay. And the Peregrino-Sinistine, 100 periseconds is 1 periminute. And 100 periminutes is 1 hour. So, 1 periminute contains 100 periseconds. And 1 hour contains 100 periminutes. Okay, the 1 for D. Okay. Peregrino-Sinistine 1 for D. 1 for D equals 20 hours. 1 for D equals 2,000 minutes. And 1 for D equals 200,000 seconds. So, time equivalent Peregrino-Sinistine to standard time. 1 hour Peregrino-Sinistine is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 minute Peregrino-Sinistine is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And 1 second Peregrino-Sinistine is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So, the another equivalent, time equivalent standard time to Peregrino-Sinistine. 1 hour standard time is equal to 0.833333 per hour Peregrino-Sinistine. And 1 minute standard time is equal to 1.388889 per minute Peregrino-Sinistine. And 1 second standard time is equal to 2.3148 per second Peregrino-Sinistine. So the time zones, Peregrino-Sinistine, the future chronograph time zone. 0 degrees longitude is 10 o'clock noon. Alas 10 ng tanghaling tapat alas 10 sa udtong tutok. 180 degrees longitude wide is 10 o'clock midnight, alas 10 sa hating gabi, alas 10 sa tungang gabi. And 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock p.m. And the other side of the time zone, 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock p.m. Okay. So here our Pellegrino Sinis Time, the future chronograph, basic problem solving. Okay. Problem solving amount in pesos per hours. Okay. The farmer rented a tractor for their sugarcane farm, and the tractor rental cost is 200. Okay. Tractor rental cost is 2,850 pesos per hour. Then, the tractor started to work at 5:63:71 o'clock a.m. Pellegrino Sinis Time, or 5 hours, 63 minutes, and 71 seconds. Okay. Then the tractor finished working. The tractor finished working at 3:95:24 o'clock p.m. or 3 hours, 95 minutes, and 24 seconds. So the question is, how many hours the tractor working? So, the tractor working time equation. Okay. 13:95:24 finish time minus 5:63:71 started time. So, the difference is 8:31:53 o'clock Pellegrino Sinis Time. So, o'clock placing into decimal form. So, 8.3153 hours, no? The tractor working 8.3153 hours. So, how much the tractor earn? How much the tractor earn in 8.3153 hours? So, calculation formula. Calculation formula. Rental cost equals time times rental cost over 1 hour. So, the calculation, rental cost equals time times rental cost over 1 hour. So, down, rental cost, 8.3153 hours times 2,850 pesos over 1 hour. So, hour over hour. So, cancel the hour. So, and the remaining is pesos. Okay. Continue. Rental cost, 23,698.605 pesos over 1. So, equals 23,698.605 pesos. So, the tractor working in 8.3153 hours and they earn 23,698.605 pesos. So, that's all, and thank you so much.